Welcome back to AM Northwest. Whether you're getting away for the weekend or a long vacation, resist the urge to stuff your suitcase. Here to share some simple ways to pack like a pro, we welcome back image consultant Carol Parker Walsh. Always good to see you.
Good to see you too. Good to see you too.
You just got, well, you're always traveling.
Yes.
I see your feet on the Portland carpet so often. It's crazy.
Yes, and I'll be gone tomorrow too.
You just got back from Paris.
Yeah, well, I took a trip there about a year ago, but I was wanted to share how you can pack. I was there for about 2 weeks.
Okay.
And I want to share how just in a 25-inch carry-on, you can actually have everything you need for 2 or 3 weeks. Yes, in this one bag.
This is what you did when you did your Europe trip.
This is what I did.
Okay.
And what I love is that, I mean, as you can see, like everything that you really need is in here. And the key to that is by getting the bags that'll come on, but also packing cubes.
Well, I've never heard of packing
cubes. These allow you to add way more in your bag than if you just packed in the bag itself.
How is that?
So it's fabulous. So you see, I'll pull these out. I have 3 cubes. I have my steamer. I have my 3 pairs of shoes in another cube, and then I have my clothes in the bigger cube.
Oh wow!
So all that fit in this bag.
Okay.
And so what you want to do is when you travel is to first of all figure out what you're going to be doing. Right. So
you need to know what your function is.
Find out what your function is. So what I do is I take a piece of paper and I write out all the days of the week. I write out where I'm going, what the weather is, and what I'm going to be doing, so I know what goes into these cubes.
Okay.
And then the next thing I do is look for a color scheme, right?
Yeah, to keep the same color.
Exactly.
Right.
So when you're going to be traveling at these different functions, if you have a color scheme, like in here, I'll just flip this open right quick. On the picture, this shows an example of what I did when I went to Europe. So I had a color scheme of black, gray with pops of color. I have an accent color, red and yellow. And so in here, I did something with just brown and black with a pop of red. Right. And so this gives you some versatility. And I packed the essentials, and if they have the next picture, it shows you that when you do pack with your capsule, you can create multiple different looks.
Look at this. That's great.
So you don't need, you're going to repeat some outfits, but you're on vacation, so that's okay. Who's going to see it?
Right.
But if you pack some of the essentials like a blazer, a skirt, a dress, a cardigan sweater, a nice blouse, maybe even your jean, a pant, and a couple of tank tops all in the color palette, then you could do some really wonderful mix and matching without having ever to worry about, did I bring enough things?
Okay.
And then, of course, you have a fabulous scarf that I just added in here, and you do a scarf that brings some beautiful colors.
That goes the black, it's got the pop of red.
Yeah, so that way you can wear that as a shawl, or you can wear a decorative. So it gives you some opportunity there. And then in the medium-sized pack, this is where I do underwear, and I do pajamas, or if you have workout wear or things of that nature, you can put that in the medium cube, and you just roll everything in there, and it gives you such great opportunity to fit more things in here.
This may be TMI, but do you pack, like, if you're gone for 7 days, 7 pair of underwear? Or do you pack 3 and then wash?
That's the one thing I usually overpack is underwear, because you just never know, because you may change multiple times in one day.
Right, that's true.
So I will overpack that. But you also want to do things like bring some essentials, like bring your, as I have here, I always bring my portable steamer.
Yeah, that's very helpful.
And then I also...
I mean, you want to keep clothes, though, that don't wrinkle easily, right?
You really want to try to find things that don't wrinkle, but if you can't do that, bring in a portable steamer, bringing a mini lint brush, a Tide pen, in case you get a stain, and also Downy makes a wrinkle release spray as well. So these are some essentials that I will also bring with me, just to make sure that my clothes stay fresh and that I can constantly get that multiple wear out of them. And then here, when you're traveling to friends or you're going to hotels, they have shampoo, they have soap, they have a blow dryer, they have pretty much everything you need, so you don't need to overpack in your toiletries. So I can fit in this little one, also my makeup as well as my toiletries. And then what I think is my very best friend is that I've stuffed these little sandwich bags.
Yeah,
because
I love
that prevents things.
bags.
And so I bring extra in case I do have a blowout. But this keeps everything clean. But I have my makeup bag in here. I have a little nail file kit. I'll have my toothbrush. I'll have my toothpaste. But everything else I can get at the hotel if I'm traveling with friends. It'll be at their house.
Where do you get those cubes? At just a travel store?
Well, these cubes you can get anywhere. I actually got this set from Samantha Brown, which I really love her travel wear, and the cubes come that way too. And you see they're different colors because I have about 3 or 4 sets of the cubes.
Okay.
Because sometimes I'll just bring 2 mid-sized cubes if I'm going for maybe a few days.
Right.
As opposed to a longer trip where I'll use the bigger cube for that.
Okay.
And then in here, I have 3 pairs of shoes. And I think that's always a great thing to do. You want to bring a dress shoe, you want to bring a walking shoe, and you want to bring a casual shoe.
Okay.
So up in here, just to go with my ensemble, I have a cute little red shoe with a little heel on there.
Which will go with everything.
Which will go with everything.
Yeah.
And in the bigger section here, I have maybe a little flip-flop if I want to, you know, walk around. And then I have a really nice, comfortable casual shoe that still will go nice elevated or will go really casually. And I pack my jewelry with my shoes so that they stay nice and secure without anything getting bent or damaged at all.
Good idea.
And so, like I said, some of the essentials that you want to bring with you are the dress, the skirt, you know.
And then what do you have in your carry-on, your bag?
And this is the way to cheat. So what I say is, because this was pretty
basically
stuffed,
your purse.
this is going to be my purse. But what I do is I bring a crossbody that I can carry every day. If you're going on international trips or long trips, I bring another little bag that has ibuprofen, socks, maybe some moisturizing or hydrating spray or a facial cloth or disposable toothbrush for international flights because you're going to be tucked in.
Yeah, for a while.
But basically, it's empty. So this I can stuff with souvenirs or gifts or things that I have, and then it carries them together on the plane without me having to check my bags.
You also have a cute little wallet that it's your cell phone,
I do have my cell phone wallet. You know, there's a couple other things. In case you're afraid that you're going to overpack, I do bring a little portable bag that I can unpack and carry more things in here. So this opens up to another bag. But I also have what I love is this little purse case.
Look at that.
And so this allows me to have it's my cell phone. And so what I could do is have my boarding pass on my phone. And then it opens up and all I have to do is pull out my ID.
And you're all set.
And I'm all set. So I don't have to worry about it. I can throw another credit card in here. And this keeps my hands free so I don't have to dig in the bag to find anything when I'm ready to board my plane.
Carol, these are all great tips. I love them. We're going to put all that information for you on our website at KATU.com.